Good morning, guys. This is Marty with Marty B's YouTube. Here on a lot today, going to do some brush hogging. I worked right here with the tractor yesterday, got this knocked down. It is full of stumps. So I decided, since I broke my tractor yesterday, or I didn't break the tractor, I broke the brush hog, we would use a brush cutter for the skid steer. I rented this one from Sunbelt Rental, and it is I think it's a Brado, maybe. I can't really say what it is, but anyway, it's supposed to cut up to 4-inch trees and stuff. So I'm gonna be doing this today. I got plenty of down trees here that's got to be moved. I've worked about 4 hours on this project already, and went and got a pile of brush out there that I've picked up so far with the tractor and the granite grapple on it. But anyway, I got these trees like right there. There's a huge pine right there that I've cut up. So I've got to move them and stack them on the pile back there and see what this brush hog does. Well, that's not good. Right there. Not sure what did it. I'm thinking just the tires had some wear on it. I don't think a stick or anything got it. Well, guys, thanks to a good friend, since I busted a tire on the other machine, he let me borrow his Bobcat T650, and hopefully we can get finished now without and get this on it and get finished. I hope. But we'll see. I made pretty good progress before I busted the tire, and I actually busted the tire where I didn't think there was any trouble, but I got all that up there cut. I got some more to do up next to the road. This machine will do better. I was having some trouble going up and down the hill with the other one. The tires was spinning in the tracks, and that might be part of my problem why I busted the tire. finished up here at this project, and so I went and cut all this right here, cut all that. There's several stumps down through there that we'll need to take out at a future time. Over here, I cleared out all this right around the box up here, and cleared out all this undergrowth right here all the way down there to their little road that goes back through there. So that's been cleared out. Here at the other entrance to the property, I've cleaned this up, cleaned all this out right here. I took all the little trees out that's probably 4 inches or less in diameter through here. Cleaned this spill well out right here coming from the ditch. Went and cut down along the silk fence. The silk fence has got hog wire on it, and plus the silk fence is in good shape. As you can tell, this is sturdy. I can't pull it over. It's got T-handle or T-post in it that's holding it up. So this is going to take a little bit of work to get this up. Tri-Code worked good for that. To get that up when we come back to take care of the stumps. As you can see right here, that stump's right there, that needs to be taken out. A lot of holes down through here that needs to be filled in. There's quite a bit of Tri-Code work here to make it where we can mow it with a bush hog and not damage anything. I was able to clean up the creek pretty good, actually, from up top. So the creek doesn't look bad at all going down through here. Believe it or not, I have more trouble in this area right here as far as tearing up equipment than I did in the rough spot. Right through here is where the bush hog PTO broke on it, and then I blew the tire on the skid steer right in this area right here, and I still don't know what I hit, or if I even hit anything, or if it's just time for it to blow. Okay, like this stump right here, it would probably be fine to leave it. It's about rotted anyway, but these here, there, and over there, those need to come out. Okay, here was that last stump I showed you. There's another one, there's one, over there's one. There's one up there, another one over there that need to come out. Now all this area up through here, it don't have very many stumps and stuff, so I think we're real good there. Up there's a couple that need to come out. Right here's another one that needs to come out right there. Okay, I'm at the creek looking back up the driveway. Right in here, I cleaned all that undergrowth right in there up. There's a bunch of down trees right in this area right here. I took them up, and that opened this up quite a bit. Got the undergrowth gone from it. We'll try to get in here before I leave with my tractor and clean up what I can of this debris laying on the ground. There's not a whole lot I can do with it, to be honest. It's probably best just to rot and to bush hog it up the next time we come through. It's small enough where it'll bush hog up. Right here's where I was talking about the little area going down by the lake. I think you can, or by the creek, that I think you can make you a way to get in here without much problem. Actually, we could probably use some of that dirt from right here to fill in some of those holes, but we're still way up on this. You may have to do some steps or something to get down to the creek. Okay, here's the furthest as far as I went down. I cleaned up some of this. I did not remove those trees right there, because to me it looked like a road at the time, that you might be able to get around the gate, come down through here and get around the gate to the community. But I went and cut the grass on the outside of the gate. That's on your property, all the way to Playmore Beach Road. And I drove down in there and I never really saw the way to get in here, but I think we're better off just to leave this here to deter people for now from coming down that little road if they can get through it, which they probably can. Okay, that's a quick little tour of what I've done here. Like I say, I think a day with a stump grinder and possibly another day with an excavator in here, we could have this where it's very manageable with a brush hog like it's on my tractor here.